Hi and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe and click that bell button so you get notified when my next easy way tutorial is out. Hi and welcome to my new video. Today I will show you how to enable dark mode in Google Chrome on your Android device. So first thing we need to do is open Play Store and here in search bar type Chrome. Select it and make sure you have the latest version installed. So here on my phone where it says open, if you have the same, then you're good to go. If it says update, then select update and after that open Chrome. Up here in the search bar, you will paste the link I left you in video description down below. If you're watching this video on your TV or PC, then just pause the video and enter address manually. So I will just paste the address. When you're done, press blue key down right on your keyboard. I must warn you what it says here. Warning, experimental features ahead. By enabling this feature, you could lose browser data or compromise your security or privacy. Enabled features apply to all users on this browser. So don't go down here and change any of these options. As you see, you have a bunch of different options. And I really don't know what they can do, so if you change any of these settings, do it at your own risk. What we need on this page is in this search bar where it says search flags, type dark and again press the blue icon down right on your keyboard. So we need this first option. Press here where it says default. Here you have 8 options, default is right now. You can choose any of these options and see which one you like the best. I tested all and for me the best one is when I set to enabled. So when you select any of these, the window will close. And down here you see the message, your changes will take effect the next time you relaunch Google Chrome. So press this relaunch button. Now your Chrome will close and open again. And as you see, Chrome is in black mode now. Now you need to do one thing more. Press these 3 dots in upper right corner and select settings. Go down and select themes. Here select dark. Now go back. So I will open Facebook. And you see Facebook is in black mode. By the way, this is my Facebook page, so if you want, you can join me on Facebook too. So let's open one more page. We'll go to Amazon. As you see, search is also black. And as you see, Amazon is in black mode. So this is the way how to enable dark or night mode in Google Chrome on your Android device. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video and I see you all next time. Bye.